Gentlemen, let me ask you a sincere question. Do you honestly believe that at this stage of your life, women are only interested in men who possess enormous wealth, luxury vehicles, or a full head of dark hair? If that's what you think, I need to stop you right there. That belief is deeply misleading. It's an illusion that society has conditioned men to accept for decades. The reality is that there is something far more influential than money or physical appearance. Most men over 60 already have it, yet very few understand how to use it effectively. Once you learn how to unlock it, women, including younger women, naturally begin to feel attracted to you. And no, it has nothing to do with cosmetic surgery, luxury watches, or miracle supplements. In fact, it requires only about 12 minutes a day. Stay with me, because I'm about to share a simple habit that can completely change the way women perceive you. While many men your age wear themselves out trying to compete in battles they were never meant to win, you'll discover how to generate genuine attraction without forcing anything or desperately trying to impress. Before we go further, take a moment to support the channel. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence and attract women naturally without games, tricks, or manipulation, hit the like button and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. I truly enjoy seeing viewers from all corners of the world. And make sure you subscribe, because every week I share science-based insights on attraction, masculine confidence, vitality, and how to stay mentally and physically strong after 60. These are topics that most doctors and relationship experts rarely discuss openly. Now, let's break down one of the biggest myths men have been fed for years. Society constantly promotes the idea that once a man turns 60, he becomes invisible to women unless he drives a Ferrari, owns a yacht, or resembles a retired movie star. But that belief simply isn't accurate. I've personally worked with men in their 60s and even 70s who consistently attract women 20 or 30 years younger, and it has nothing to do with wealth, status, or cosmetic enhancements. The reason is that they understand emotional and psychological attraction. Here's what many men fail to recognize. Women are not lacking attention from younger attractive men. Most women already receive an abundance of attention every day. What many of them genuinely long for is emotional maturity. They're tired of insecure men, emotionally unstable men, and men who constantly feel the need to prove themselves. Ironically, the advantage is already in your possession. No one simply taught you how to use it properly. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn Carter. Over the past 5 years, I focused on men's health, confidence, and relationship psychology, helping men restore their vitality and regain confidence in both dating and social life. And here's the uncomfortable truth that many people avoid discussing. Men over 60 often possess a hidden advantage when it comes to attraction, one that younger men simply can't match. Why? Because younger men are still chasing approval. They're still trying to establish their identity, prove their worth, and seek validation from everyone around them. But you've already faced challenges, accumulated experience, endured hardships, and gained wisdom. That life experience becomes one of your greatest assets. It's the difference between a restless young man and a calm, centered, experienced man. So what exactly is the secret that changes everything? It's something called outcome independence. Once you develop this mindset, your entire energy shifts in a way that women naturally find attractive. But before we dive into that, let's discuss the 3 biggest mistakes many men over 60 continue making and what they should be doing instead. The first mistake is chasing rather than attracting. Many older men still behave as though they're teenagers desperately trying to impress women, prove their value, or use money and gifts to gain attention. Unfortunately, this almost always works against them. Women can detect desperation immediately, just as sharks can sense blood in the water. On an emotional level, it creates needy energy, which instantly weakens your presence. In practical terms, it drains your energy, consumes your time, and often costs you financially. A better approach is learning outcome independence. Instead of constantly seeking attention, start creating genuine fulfillment within your own life. When a man feels content, peaceful, and emotionally grounded, something remarkable happens. Women naturally become curious about him. They feel drawn to his calm energy because he no longer appears desperate for validation. The second mistake is tying your self-worth to female approval. The moment a man begins asking himself, "Am I still attractive?" or "Do women still desire me?" he unknowingly gives away his power.